You have the Watch 5 and want to activate an always-on display with it. No problem, we'll show you. To do it, if you have a Watch 5 or generally a Samsung smartwatch and it has an always-on display, we'll show how it works. What is an always-on display? Normally, when you lift the watch, the display lights up and the time shown to you. Otherwise, there is the possibility of an always-on display, i.e. that the display always lights up. You don't have to raise your hand every time so you know how late it is. First of all, if you activate this function, the power consumption increases, i.e. it shortens the capacity. Your watch will no longer have such a long battery life, i.e. the battery will run out faster. To activate this, you just have to swipe from top to bottom and tap on this gear. Then there is a display at this point. Then you have the option of adjusting different points, such the brightness, for example. There is also automatic brightness, i.e. it adapts to the daylight or the environment. Here you have this point, always on display. If we go in here, the display will always light up and will no longer turn off. The whole thing works so easily with the Samsung Watch. If you have any questions, then use the comment function. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.